Looking for the perfect support for safe and comfortable bathing? In this video, we'll reveal the best shower chair for disabled individuals, designed to provide stability, ease of use, and peace of mind during every shower. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DMI Tub Shower Chair for Elderly. The DMI Tub Shower Chair for Elderly stands out as a reliable, safety-enhancing option for those seeking a stable and easy-to-use shower chair for disabled individuals or seniors. Crafted with a plastic seat and a non-slip aluminum body, this chair is designed for maximum stability in wet environments. What sets this chair apart is its innovative sliding mechanism, which allows users to transfer from a wheelchair or walker directly into the shower with minimal strain. This thoughtful design not only benefits the user, but also eases the physical demands on caregivers. Installation is incredibly convenient thanks to its tool-free, freestanding design. You won't need any permanent hardware to set it up, and it can be configured for right or left installation, making it adaptable to most bathroom layouts. Safety is a key focus, featuring a rest-resistant aluminum frame, a blow-molded seat with a supported backrest, and a hook-and-loop safety belt for added security. The inclusion of suction cup anti-slip feet ensures the chair remains firmly in place, while a removable cutout offers easier access for personal hygiene needs. Additionally, a side handle provides extra stability during use.
Number 2. Platinum Shower Chair for Elderly. The Platinum Shower Chair for Elderly redefines what a high-quality, user-friendly bathing aid should be. This professional-grade sliding transfer bench not only prioritizes safety, but also maximizes user comfort and convenience. Trusted by hospitals, nursing homes, and discerning home users, this shower chair is built to exceed standard expectations, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking the best shower chair for disabled or mobility-challenged individuals. One of its standout features is the padded shower seat, back, and armrests. Unlike older models made from cold, slippery plastic, the Platinum chair incorporates medical-grade, closed-cell, molded polyurethane padding that remains warm to the touch, slip-resistant, and impervious to water absorption. This thoughtful upgrade enhances both safety and comfort, ensuring users can bathe without discomfort or fear of slipping. The swivel seat design offers unmatched practicality. The seat pivots smoothly, making it safer and simpler for users to enter and exit the tub, while also reducing the chair's footprint in the bathroom. This feature is particularly valuable in smaller spaces, providing convenience without compromising safety. Robust, weight-bearing armrests give users additional support and leverage, making transitions easier and more secure. These sturdy armrests also offer crucial psychological reassurance, helping reduce the fear of falls. A smart addition is the chair's high-contrast, high-view blue color. Unlike traditional white benches that blend into the background, this bright, distinctive hue makes the chair's key components easily visible to users with vision impairments, further reducing the risk of slips and accidents. Designed with hospital-grade quality, this chair stands as a testament to thoughtful engineering and safety-first design.
Number 3. Drseats Shower Chair for Elderly. The Drseats Shower Chair for Elderly brings a refreshing blend of strength, comfort, and adaptability to bathroom safety equipment. Designed for individuals requiring dependable support, this shower chair for disabled users integrates a host of thoughtful features that prioritize user security and convenience. With its durable aluminum alloy frame, it's robust enough to support up to 550 pounds, making it an excellent choice for bariatric or mobility-impaired individuals. Its standout feature is the 360-degree rotation capability, complete with a locking mechanism to keep the seat securely in place when needed. This makes getting in and out of the tub easier and safer, as the chair can be rotated to a more accessible position before locking it for stability. The chair also includes padded, foldable, and widened armrests with locks. These not only provide extra comfort, but also support users during transitions, minimizing the risk of slips and enhancing overall confidence. Comfort is further amplified through its padded seat and contoured backrest, both made from soft EPP material that resists water absorption while ensuring a comfortable sitting experience. With 6 adjustable height settings, users can easily customize the seat height in 1-inch increments to match their personal needs and bathroom configurations. This level of customization ensures the chair suits a wide range of body types and tub designs.
Number 4. Guardian Shower Chair for Elderly. The Guardian Shower Chair for Elderly is a reliable, thoughtfully designed solution for seniors and individuals with mobility issues. This heavy-duty bath and shower bench is crafted from high-strength, rust-resistant steel, providing dependable support with a 400-pound weight capacity. Whether used as a transfer bench or standard shower seat, this chair enhances bathroom safety and accessibility, making daily routines easier and more secure. Its easy adjustable height settings, ranging from 17.5 to 22 inches, are controlled by a simple push-button design, allowing for quick customization without tools. The reversible backrest accommodates both left and right side tub configurations, making the chair highly versatile for various bathroom layouts. The inclusion of a supportive backrest and stationary armrest adds an extra layer of stability, giving users confidence as they transition in and out of the bath. Safety is at the forefront of this design, featuring wide, slip-resistant suction tub feet that anchor the chair securely to both wet and dry surfaces, minimizing the risk of slips or falls. The generously sized seat, measuring 16 inches deep by 26.5 inches wide, provides ample room for comfortable seating, while its durable, rust-resistant frame ensures lasting performance in humid conditions. Assembling the Guardian Shower Chair is hassle-free thanks to its tool-free, locking push-button construction. This makes it a convenient choice for both permanent installations and temporary use, particularly for post-surgical recovery or visiting family members with mobility needs. The chair's overall dimensions, 32 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and up to 36.5 inches high with the backrest, make it suitable for most standard tubs and showers. Combining sturdy construction, practical adjustability, and essential safety features, the Guardian Shower Chair offers a reliable, cost-effective solution for those seeking secure, comfortable bathing support.
Number 5. PELEGON Shower Chair for Elderly. The PELEGON Shower Chair for Elderly is an exceptional option for individuals prioritizing stability, versatility, and ease of use in their bathing routine. This heavy-duty shower chair is engineered with enhanced stability in mind, featuring a unique crossbar design that adds vital strength and durability. Capable of supporting up to 450 pounds, it caters to a broad range of users, including the elderly, disabled, and those recovering from surgery. Its non-slip feet ensure reliable traction on wet surfaces, providing peace of mind during every use. The chair's ergonomic arms offer crucial support when standing or sitting, reducing the risk of accidents in slippery conditions. These arms also make transition smoother and more secure, which is especially beneficial for individuals with limited mobility or strength. Adjustability is another strong point for the PELEGON chair, with seat height adjustments ranging from 17 to 21 inches and a generous 18-inch seat width. This is designed to accommodate various users and bathroom configurations.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon